Money is everywhere, yet we understand it so little. Not because it's complicated, but because we're human. Money isn't just math or markets. It's emotions, decisions, history, and personality. It's not about how smart you are. It's about how you behave. Wealth is what you don't see. Someone driving a $100,000 car may have $0 in the bank. Meanwhile, someone driving an old sedan might be sitting on millions. Real wealth is quiet. It's the money not spent. It's the freedom silently building in the background. Success is never just hard work, it's also luck. Bill Gates went to one of the only high schools in the world with a computer. That wasn't skill, it was luck. But luck cuts both ways. Someone else worked just as hard and failed due to timing or tragedy, so be careful before judging others, or yourself. Compounding is the most powerful force in finance. Warren Buffett didn't just pick great stocks, he started early and gave it time. That's the real secret. Compounding is simple, but it requires patience and the discipline to not interrupt it. Getting rich and staying rich are different skills. Take risks, embrace optimism and go for it. But to stay rich, you need humility, caution, and the ability to say, I have enough. Most people fail not because they never built wealth, but because they couldn't hold on to it. Everyone's experience with money is unique. We make decisions based on our past, where we were raised, how we saw money treated, the trauma or abundance we lived through. That's why people often disagree about money. They're not wrong. They're just shaped differently. You don't need a reason to save. Saving isn't just for a house or retirement. It's for freedom, for security, for the ability to walk away from a bad job or survive a crisis. Saving buys options, and options are priceless. The real goal isn't money, it's control over your time. True wealth is waking up and doing what you want when you want, with the people you love, the ability to say no. That's what financial independence really gives you. You don't need to be brilliant, just reasonable. A good plan you stick with is better than a perfect one you abandon. You don't need to optimize every decision. You need to sleep well at night. Behavior always beats intelligence in the long run. Avoid lifestyle creep. As you earn more, your desires grow too, unless you stop them. Money won't satisfy if your expectations keep rising. Happiness comes not from getting more, but from needing less. Remember, no one's thinking about you as much as you think. Much of our spending is an attempt to impress others. But the truth is, they're too busy thinking about themselves. Live for meaning, not approval. In the end, money is a tool, nothing more. Use it to build peace, not pressure. Use it to build a life, not just a lifestyle. The Psychology of Money isn't a book about how to beat the stock market. It's about how to master yourself.